Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Gshock GWM-5610U, and as the title of the video says, I'm gonna show you how to set and use the alarm and hourly time signal. Without further ado, let's move on. First of all, let's enter the alarm mode. That is done from the standard timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button twice. And here we are. It's indicated over here that we are in the alarm mode. And we have the number of alarm indicated over here. We shuffle through the alarms by pressing the button over here. So lower right one, we shuffle between alarm number 1, 2, 3, 4, snooze alarm, and hourly time signal. Let's say we want to turn on one of these alarms and or hourly time signals. Once we are at the pre-designated alarm, so in this case it's the alarm number 1, we're going to press the adjust button once, and the alarm is turned on, and it's also indicated over here that the regular alarm is turned on. To simply turn it off, simply press the upper left button. Let's say we want to set our value for alarm number 1. In this case, it's the alarm number 1. We press and hold the upper left button until we hear the beep. And first, we have our hour value flashing. To increase or decrease the value of hours, we press one of those two buttons. So upper to decrease or lower to increase the value. Let's say I want to set my alarm at 12 o'clock. Have in mind that if your time format is set to 12 hours, once you get to the PM region, the P indicator will be shown over here and not like this in this case. It's in the 24-hour time format, so I'm running the digits from 0 to 23. In your case, it will be from 1 to 12, and it will be indicated P over here once you are in the PM region. So it is 12 o'clock and I want it at 12 o'clock. Now we press the mode button. Now the minutes begin to flash. Again, to decrease upper or to increase the lower right button. If I want to engage fast rotation, simply press and hold one of those two buttons. And there it is. I want to set it to 12:30. If I press the mode button once again, I'm back at the hour value. To implement the value, simply press the adjust button once, and we have our alarm number 1 exactly at 12:30, and it's turned on. It's also indicated over here. And as I said previously, by pressing the adjust button, you shuffle your alarm on or off. In this case, it's the alarm number 1. Shuffling it between on or off by pressing the adjust button. Procedure is the same for all of the alarms, and the snooze alarm also is the same, so press and hold to set your alarm. Use the upper or lower right button to implement the setting. Press the adjust button to implement the hour value and the minutes value. And it says it's on, and it's also indicated over here. To turn it off, again press the upper left button, and as you can see, I'm shuffling between on or off. To engage hourly time signal, find your hourly time signal by pressing the lower right button, so it should be the last one. And there it is. Once it says SIG over here, press the upper left button, and we have our hourly time signal turned on. So here we go. We press the upper left button to shuffle it between on or off. Once we have set all of our values, we simply press the mode button, and the watch will go first to stopwatch mode, the timer mode, and higher pitch of the sound gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode, with our alarm, snooze alarm, and hourly time signal turned off. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.